Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, command line basics in Python. Before entering to the course, we need to know about the command line basics, like a Windows command prompt, how the command we are going to executing, like a Python IDE, we require to run and start the services of Python language. We'll see in the video session for more. Watch it. Python command line basics. Before start installation Python, it's very important to have a quick overview how to work with the files and using command line. This allows you to programmatically move through your computer's directories and finding the files and the directory structure of your application, which is a very important and required to work with the Python projects. We will cover here in this session finding your current directory and list all files in a directory and how to change the directory, and now comes to know how to clear the screen once what we have worked with the screen over there. And we will start beginning with the Windows user, how to interact with the command line to handling the directories as well as folders. Let's start with the start button here and hit here on CMD. It's a Windows 10 system, operating system. You will see. Click the command, and here you have a prompt the user over here. And now see, I am hitting a command like a dir to know the directories what are available in the current directory prompt. Alright, this is the dir. If I enter, it will list all the files and folders which are available in the prompt of C users and Sky. That is the username of my system. And now see here, with the help of directories, we will use the command to change directory for the command of cd to changing a directory to another directory. We will see here. I will show you. If I enter the dir, see here it's showing that music folder, that is in a directory of music, or that is in a there is in a directory called documents. All right, now see here cd space down documents, hit enter. Now here the prompt is it's moved to Sky, that username, to move in one per head to documents. Now if I hit the dir here, the list of the files, the directories will show within the documents only. All right, and cd space dot dot, two symbols of the dot dot. If you press this and enter, it will back to a directory, but we have changed the directory to current to documents and back to current directory. All right, command is the overview. Cd for changing directory to which directory we want to go and work with that. And if we want to go back to the previous directory, cd space dot dot, it will move back to the previous directory. And similarly, to clear the screen of the functional area, clear, clear, the screen will automatically clear and the prompt will be displayed at the top of the command window. All right, in case the Linux and Unix or Ubuntu CentOS users, and let's see here, I will show you here with the terminal point. Once logged in as a user and password, it's the hash prompt indicates it's a root user. Now here if you hit like a dir ls, it's in a command. If you hit all the directories and files which are available within the folder, it will be shows. And there is a command called pwd. It's a present working directory. See here, this is the root. I am here, and if I want to move like a downloads folder, it's showing here. Now see here, this is in the folder, it's showing here. I want to move to that particular directory, the same command like a cd space downloads and dow and hit tab, it will move automatically right up in the command, and hit enter. it's moving to downloads. Now you press ls. What are the files are available within the downloads? It will be displayed. Till now, there is no folders. It's showing empty line. Now, if I press pwd, the present working directory. See now the root and downloads. This is the present working directory. If I want to move back, cd space dot, and it will go to back, and let you check pwd. It's in a root folder only. This is the basic fundamentals and the terminologies and the usage of the command line. If you know, and that is a very sufficient to run the Python program executions, like creating a project and the migration commands and initiating the apps, creating the new apps, like and any changes of the migrations and the creation of the migrations and start the Python server. These are the basics is required to where to hit the commands and all. Now we'll have in a session 2, we'll start all these commands with to start our Python installation with our coming session. Thanks for watching this session. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, see the description below of my contact details are there. Thank you.